Hi everyone, welcome to my first screencast video, and today I feel like doing a Noob vs Pro thing just like this person. Yeah, so here you've already joined. As you can see, we are gonna be a freshman. Alright, now let's see if somebody judges the book by its cover. I don't know why I said that. Hopefully they don't notice that I have Builders Club. Be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. Now, let's go find someone. Alright. There mostly will be people at Club Red. I can't even speak today. Nope, there's nobody here. And I will be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. And now I will quickly go find someone. Alright guys, I think I found my first person to test. So, hi. Unless you're AFK, they might ask if I use codes to get my Robux stuff. But I didn't. I didn't. Oh my god. Oh. I was just like, no. Ah. I have to find another person. You. Alright guys, so what I'm basically gonna do right now is I am basically just gonna get into a Robux avatar. I'm gonna take off all the hats because I'm gonna put on a Dominus outfits. Here's my new avatar. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to take off the bare face mask, this hair, this, And now what I'm gonna do is I am gonna go to catalog. Alright. Okay. So the one I am gonna wear is I think I'm gonna wear the white one. Alright. Oh my god, I left the game. We're not gonna do the social experiment. But we are gonna go to Roblox High School. And now what we're gonna do is... Oh wait, it's loading. I'm at 0 Robux right now, but I have Builders Club. So I have monthly Builders Club, so I get 15 Robux a day. Alright. And now, since we're in, hurry up. Alright. Freshman. Fresh. Alright, now I'm gonna go to Kirito. Alright, I'm waiting for Roblox to load. What does that do? Oh, I sat now. Okay, and now that it's loaded, to wait for everything else to load. Time to wait for everything else to load. Waiting for everything to load, but it's already loaded, except for the people, but I am loaded. So, what I'm gonna do now, oh my god, would it, hey, where's the other thing? I don't know where the coding editor is. I don't know. I don't get it. I thought that was the coding thingy. I know there was, but I don't see it. I totally forgot. Comment down below where the coding thingy is. And oh, I found it. Never mind. Hint 1. Dominus. No, wait. Yeah, let's wear it. Wear outfit. Oh, hi. I have a Dominus on. Kellogg. Gonna get some angry eyes. Oh my god, Spy Kid glasses. I found them. Or should we do colorful eyes? I think we should. Oh wait, I'm not buying it. Why would I buy it? Maybe in a future video I might buy it. Now what we're gonna do, go back to my character. Now let's get hint 1. And now, what we're gonna do now is oh wait. Now this. Hold on. Alright. Now I'm gonna go back to Roblox. Alright. Hand 2. Wear outfit. Hey, where is it? Where is it? Oh, I think it only works with the golden one. Yeah, I think it only works with the golden one. Well, we're gonna end the video here. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.